Clove water has the potential to bring noticeable changes to a woman's health within just 7 days. Cloves contain active compounds that have made many women interested in this simple drink, especially because of its potential effects on overall health, digestion, immunity, and internal balance. But what's important to understand is that the results depend a lot on how you use it. Because if it's not prepared or consumed correctly, you may not get the full benefits. So make sure you watch until the end, because I'll explain the correct way to drink it to get the maximum benefits. Now, let's go day by day, and break down what clove water may do for women over 7 days. Day 1. Antioxidant protection. This is where everything begins. On day 1, the first thing that begins happening inside the body is something you don't actually feel, but it matters deeply. Clove water starts introducing powerful antioxidants, especially eugenol, into your system. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress, which is one of the main causes of cellular aging. Think of it as the body starting a quiet internal repair process. For women, this matters because oxidative stress often reflects on skin, energy, and overall vitality. Nothing dramatic happens yet, but the foundation is being built. Your cells are getting extra protection they didn't have before. And this is important, because everything else depends on this first step. If this internal stress goes down, the body functions more efficiently. So day 1 is not about feeling something, it's about starting something. And the real changes begin to build from here. Now let's move to what happens next inside the digestive system. Day 2. Gut and colon support, internal reset effect. On day 2, the focus shifts to the digestive system, which is often the center of how the body feels daily. Clove water may help support a healthier balance of gut bacteria. This doesn't mean a sudden cleanse, but a gradual improvement in gut environment. Many women struggle with bloating, heaviness, or irregular digestion without realizing the cause starts in the gut. Clove compounds may help reduce unwanted microbial activity while supporting beneficial balance. When this balance improves, digestion often feels smoother over time. Nutrients are also absorbed more efficiently when the gut is functioning properly. And this affects everything: energy, mood, and even skin appearance. You don't see the change immediately, but the body starts adjusting internally. This is why gut health is often called the second brain of the body. So day 2 is about internal balance starting to shift quietly. And the next day takes this even further into metabolism. Day 3. Blood sugar stability, energy control shift. By day 3, the body starts responding in a more metabolic way. Clove water may support more stable blood sugar levels. And this is important because unstable glucose is often behind energy crashes and cravings. Some compounds in cloves may improve how the body responds to insulin. For women, this can translate into more steady energy throughout the day. Instead of sudden highs and lows, the body starts feeling more controlled. This also helps reduce unnecessary sugar cravings in some cases. But it's important to stay realistic. This is a supportive effect, not a treatment. The key here is balance, not transformation. When energy becomes more stable, everything else feels easier. Focus, mood, and daily performance all benefit indirectly. And now we move to a deeper internal organ, the liver. Day 4, liver function support, internal processing upgrade. On day 4, the liver becomes part of the picture. The liver is responsible for processing toxins, nutrients, and metabolic waste. Clove water contains antioxidants that may help reduce stress on liver cells. This doesn't detox the body, because the liver already does that naturally. Instead, it may support the liver in doing its job more efficiently. When the liver is under less stress, the whole body feels more balanced. Energy production becomes smoother, and digestion improves indirectly. Hormonal balance in women is also closely connected to liver function. So even small improvements here can reflect in overall well-being. You don't feel the liver working, but you feel the results of its efficiency. And this is where the system starts connecting more deeply. Next comes one of the most important systems, the heart. Day 5, heart and circulation support, system-wide flow. On day 5, we move into cardiovascular support. Clove water contains antioxidants that may support healthy blood circulation. Good circulation means oxygen and nutrients are delivered more efficiently throughout the body. This affects energy, stamina, and even mental clarity. For women, cardiovascular health becomes increasingly important over time. Some compounds in cloves may also support cholesterol balance. But again, this is about support, not medical treatment. When circulation improves, the body feels more awake and active. Even small improvements here can affect how the entire system feels. The heart doesn't work alone. It supports every organ in the body. So day 5 is about flow, balance, and system efficiency. And now we move into protection mode, the immune system. Day 6, immune support, body defense strengthening. On day 6, the focus shifts to the immune system. Clove water contains natural antimicrobial and antioxidant compounds. These help the body maintain a more balanced internal defense system. This doesn't mean preventing illness directly, but improving resilience. For women, especially during stress or busy periods, this support matters. When internal balance improves, the immune system functions more efficiently. The body becomes better at responding to external challenges. Energy levels often feel more stable when immunity is supported. Because the immune system and inflammation levels are closely connected. So strengthening one often supports the other. This is where the body feels more protected from within. And now we reach the final stage, inflammation and recovery. Day 7, inflammation and recovery, the final shift. On the final day, the focus is on inflammation, one of the most important hidden factors in the body. Clove water contains eugenol, which is widely studied for its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is linked to discomfort, fatigue, and overall body imbalance. Some women may notice a general feeling of lightness or reduced tension over time. This is not instant, and it depends heavily on lifestyle and consistency. But reducing internal stress on the body is always beneficial. When inflammation is lower, recovery and comfort tend to improve. Energy feels more stable, and the body functions more smoothly. This is not a cure or a quick fix. It is supportive biology. And when you combine all 7 days together, you see the full picture. The body doesn't change overnight. It adapts step by step. And that is exactly how real biological change actually works. To get the most out of clove water, the method of preparation really matters. For women, the most common approach is to soak a small amount of whole cloves in warm water overnight. Usually, 2 to 4 cloves in a glass of water is enough. There's no need for a strong concentration. In the morning, you can drink it on an empty stomach, or later in the day if that feels better for your body. The key is consistency, not intensity, because natural compounds work gradually over time. It's also important not to overconsume it, since cloves are very potent in small amounts. Some people prefer cycling it, for example, using it for a week, then taking a short break. And of course, this should always complement a balanced diet, not replace it. Now, if you found this breakdown helpful and want more science-based natural health explanations, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Because in the next videos, we'll continue exploring simple drinks that may support women's health in a natural and realistic way. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new